Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's video, we thought we would share a very exciting announcement with you all. We are just a few days away from our annual 12 Days of UResin Christmas sale. What is this, you may ask? Well, for anyone that is new to our channel or only recently started following us, the 12 Days of UResin Christmas runs for the first 12 days of December with a new special free gift or discount each day. We have already announced what will be available during this year's Christmas sale, and we have linked our blog post with more details down below. This is generally the only time of year we ever run a sale, so it is a great opportunity to stock up on your favorite supplies or perhaps purchase some goodies at a great price for a loved one just before Christmas. Each day's sale is available for 24 hours only. Once these expire, they will no longer be available, so we recommend marking your calendars with your favorite sale days to avoid missing out. This is also an online-only sale with Australia-wide shipping available. Catch more info as well as terms and conditions in the link below. Anyway, let's finally jump into today's video. We're sharing a piece made during a beginner's resin workshop from a few weeks ago. We have sped up our mixing and color mixing process, as we all know how that goes. As always, in our resin workshops we used our UResin liquid glass system. You'll also notice we used an older board which we had lightly sanded for better adhesion with the new layer of resin. We started with pouring a few colors down onto the board and demonstrating with a heat gun how to move the resin. As I've mentioned before, I'm not the biggest fan of a heat gun, so I only use this briefly for demo purposes before swapping over to the butane torch. Tilting the board while heating the resin also helps stretch the resin to create layers and cells. We do this process a few times before adding more layers of resin, and we continue this process over until we are happy with the finish of the piece. We then go in at the very end with our gloved fingers to touch up the sides of the board to make sure they are all evenly coated before allowing the resin to cure overnight. That's all from us for now, so we're going to let you enjoy the rest of this video and show you the final cured piece at the very end. As always, we will list all of the products used in the description box below, which are all available on our website at www.uresin.com.au. We have Zip and Afterpay available with affordable shipping Australia-wide. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos. We'll see you in the next one.